This is M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to start Puzzle Test 3, topic name Sequential Order of Things. Yes, third topic in Puzzle Test. Puzzle Test number 3. First one, family based examples. Second, seating arrangement. Third, sequential order of things. One of the most important subtopic in analytical reasoning, a topic method, sequential order of things. Implement only sequence order, either dates or days. The type of questions or belongs to sequential order of things. This topic belongs to reasoning ability or logical ability. Some information is given. Based on that information, 5 questions, 5 marks. Yes, first example, sample puzzles in sequential order of things. Number 1, first puzzle. Number 1, study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 6 lectures A, B, C, D, E and F are to be organized in a span of 7 days from Sunday to Saturday. Write only sequence order Sunday to Saturday because a topic name sequential order of things. Implement only order, that is only important to this topic. From Sunday to Saturday, write sequence days. Starting day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Total 7 days. That is the first statement of the puzzle. Condition, only 1 lecture on each day in accordance with the following. 1 day only 1 lecture. More than 2, that is not possible in this puzzle. Next, first statement. A should not be organized on Thursday. Condition. A should not be organized on Thursday. Second, C should be organized immediately after F. Second statement logic, F after C immediately. Third statement, there should be a 2 days gap between E and D. D and E, E and D both are same. E and D, number of days between E and D only 2 days. Next, fourth statement, 1 day there will be no lecture. Friday is not that day. Just before that day, D will be organized. This is also condition. B should be organized on Tuesday. This is clear information. B Tuesday. And B should not followed by D. BD not possible. DB only possible because B should not followed by D. Followed indicate after. BD not possible. This is about 5th statement. Total 5 statements, 5 questions, 5 marks. Here important only conditional statement only important. That is only logic of the given puzzle. Condition. First condition, A should not be organized on Thursday. Second condition, 1 day there will be no lecture. Friday is not that day. Just before that day, D will be organized. Total we have 7 days. 1 day holiday. Friday is not that day. Remaining 6 days calculate only holiday. Holiday before D will be organized. This point only important to this puzzle. Here calculate only holiday. If you find the holiday, then only answer completed. Here fifth to fourth statement only important to this puzzle. Calculate holiday. Suppose holiday possibilities. And next condition, from Sunday to Saturday, there is no repetition. Sunday after Sunday before not Saturday. Saturday after not Sunday, because we have 7 days program only. Repetitions are not possible. That is not correct method. Sequence order Sunday to Saturday only. Next to find out to only holiday. Here holiday possibilities. Suppose Wednesday holiday, but before D will be organized, already B exists. Then Wednesday holiday not possible. Suppose holiday Thursday, holiday before D will be organized, but last statement, B should not followed by D. D after B not possible. Thursday also not possible. Next, Friday, a given statement, Friday is not a holiday. That information already given. Suppose next holiday possibility, suppose Saturday holiday, before D will be organized, D only Friday. And next third statement, there should be a 2 days gap between E and D. A D and E or E and D same meaning, but repetition not allowed. A D and E only 2 days, Wednesday, Thursday, E should be only Tuesday. But Tuesday already B exists. This statement not satisfied this solution. Therefore, Saturday is also not possible. Holiday, Saturday also not possible. Wednesday not possible. Thursday not possible. And Saturday also not possible. Remaining 2 days only possible. Suppose check Sunday. If Sunday holiday, before day not possible. Remaining only one choice. That choice only Monday. Suppose Monday is holiday. Before day D will be organized. Next third statement. There should be a 2 days gap between D and E. A D and E 2 days gap. Here Monday and Tuesday. Next second statement. C should be organized immediately after F. F after only C. Suppose F Friday, C Saturday, but A only Thursday, but A should not be organized on Thursday. Then C Friday not, if Friday not possible, if possible only Thursday. If Thursday, Friday only C. All completed except a lecture. 1 day only pending, that is called Saturday. This is the solution of the given puzzle. Here important only sequence order only important. But method, this type of questions are given in your exam. Important notation, repetitions are not to allowed. Saturday after not Sunday, general method is different. Particular this example, particular this topic. Sunday before not Saturday, Saturday after not Sunday. If you apply that method, your way only correct, but not examiner way. The type of options also given, but those are not correct. This is about first puzzle solution. Your next questions. First example. Your first example, which day will the lecture F be organized? Which day will the lecture F be organized? But F only Thursday. Then first question answer Thursday, option A only correct. Second example, which of the following information is not required for finding the complete sequence of organization of lectures? But just you read the statements. Your first statement required, otherwise two possible solutions exist. Second statement mandatory. Third one, fourth one, fifth one, all statements are required. Then select the option all are required, option D. Just logic. Read the information. Check the method if all statements required or not. But this example, all statements are required. Next, how many lectures organized between C and D? Calculate total number of lectures between C and D. Here C lecture and D lecture. If repetition allowed, only one lecture. But repetition not allowed, write only sequence order. C and D, number of lectures only 3. Number of days only 4. If you consider days 4, consider lectures only 3. But your question is belongs to only lectures. Only 3 only correct. But not 4. Number of days only 4. Number of lectures only 3. If repetition allowed, number of lectures only 1. 3 possible solutions exist. But right answer only 3. Calculate only number of lectures. And fourth example. Which of the following is the last lecture in the series? In the series, last lecture in the series only A. A lecture only last means option C. Next, fifth example. On which day there is no lecture? On which day there is no lecture? That is only Monday but not Sunday. Monday means option B only correct. First example solutions. First one option A. Second option D. Third option C. Fourth option A. Fifth option B. Then first example completed. Next second example. First example days concept. Sunday to Saturday. Right. Second example number 2. Method same. But information only different. Logic almost all same. Just to implement only cyclic order. A second example number 2. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. A training college has to conduct a refresher course for teachers of 7 different subjects. 7 teachers, 7 different subjects. Mechanics, psychology, philosophy, sociology, economics, science and engineering from 22nd July to 29th July. But this question is belongs to dates concept. Is starting date 22, right? Sequence order 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 up to 29th. A total number of days 8. Number of lectures only 7. Number of subjects only 7. Then calculate one day holiday. That is the logic of the given problem. Here calculate only holiday. That information also given. This is the first information of the puzzle. Next, first point. Course should start with psychology. That is 22nd psychology. This is called psychology. Starting subject psychology. 22nd only psychology. Second day, 23rd July being Sunday should be holiday. 23rd Sunday, a day Sunday, a 23rd Sunday, 22nd Saturday, 24th Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But clue given, 23rd being holiday, that is Sunday, 23rd Sunday before and after. This statement also completed. First one and second one completed. Next, third example number 3. Science subject should be on the previous day of the engineering subject. This is the condition. A science subject a previous day before engineering subject. This is the order. Science subject, next engineering subject. This is the condition. Next, fourth one, course should end with mechanics subject. That is 29th only mechanics. 29th only mechanics subject. This is also completed. Next, philosophy should end with immediately after holiday. After holiday philosophy, that is 24th only philosophy. Next, sixth one, there should be a gap of 1 day between economics and engineering. Economics and engineering 1 day gap. This is also condition. I think sixth one and third one, remaining statements information completed. Pending only third one and sixth one. But basic information, 22nd psychology, 23rd holiday, 24th philosophy, 29th mechanics. Next, pending only 25, 26, 27, 28. Pending subjects, economics, engineering, science, engineering and sociology. Only 4 subjects only pending. Just next, possibility chances. But economics and engineering, there should be a gap of 1 day between economics and engineering. Suppose first possibility, economics 25th economics, then engineering 27th only engineering, because 1 day gap between economics and engineering. Next statement, science subject should be on the previous day of the engineering subject, but 27th engineering before day, 26th only science subject, but science subject pending only 28th only pending. Here all subject information exactly completed. Pending only sociology, 1 subject, 1 date. 28th only sociology, this one only pending. This is about logic of the solution. Simple concept. Just to implement only sequence order, because topic name sequential order of things. Here answer, 22nd psychology, 23rd holiday Sunday, 24th Monday philosophy, 25th economics Tuesday, 26th science Wednesday, 27th engineering Friday, 28th Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, engineering Thursday, sociology 28th Friday, next Saturday mechanics, one Saturday psychology 22nd, another Saturday 29th mechanics. This is about solution of the given puzzle. Next, here questions in second puzzle. First question, which subject is followed by science? Which subject is followed by science? For science means engineering only correct. Followed science only, engineering only correct. Second, the refresher course will start with which one of the following subject? That statement already given. Psychology only correct. The refresher course will start with which one of the following subject? That information already clearly given statement. Option A. Which subject will be on Tuesday? Tuesday subject. Tuesday only. A Tuesday. This is called Monday. Next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Tuesday subject only economics. So option C only correct answer. Next fourth one, which subject precedes mechanics? Precedes means before, succeeds means after. Yet before mechanics, that is sociology. So option not given, right to option A, sociology only correct. Here precedes mechanics. Here precedes means before subject. Here mechanics before subject only sociology. Option A only correct. Next, how many days gap is there between science and philosophy? But repetitions are not allowed. Consider only sequence order. Sequence order, science and philosophy. This is called science. Science and philosophy between subject only economics. Then answer economics only one subject. One means option A only correct. This is about second puzzle solution. Your first puzzle only days concept. Second puzzle a dates concept. Starting date 22nd, ending date 29th. Next third puzzle number 3. Third example number 3. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Statement number 1. There are 7 books on each of psychology, Hindi, English, sociology, economics, education and accountancy lying on a table, one above all books. Write sequence order. Your second statement. Sociology is on the top all books. Your this is called consider as a top. Next one bottom. A top subject, first one sociology. This is the first statement, number 1. Second statement, accountancy is immediately below education. Here education below accountancy, which is immediate below sociology. Is sociology below education below accountancy. That logic clearly given. First one sociology, second subject education, third one accountancy, third subject accountancy. Yes, second statement completed, first statement completed, third statement also completed. Fourth statement, economics is immediately above psychology but not in the middle. Economics below psychology. But not in the middle. Economics not in the middle. Hindi is immediately below psychology. This is the order. Hindi below psychology. But right, this place suppose consider as a economics. And next one psychology. And last subject Hindi. A total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 subjects. Total 7 subjects. 6 subjects completed. Pending only one subject only English. But if you write English bottom, then economics middle. But economics is not a middle. Then English last subject not possible. Here only possible. If you write English here, this is exactly middle. This is about order of the given puzzle. Implement to only order because topic name sequential order of things. Here once again, I think all statement information completed. This one very simple. Here first statement, sociology is on the top all books. That is correct. Accountancy is immediately below education, which is immediate below sociology. Correct. Economics is immediately above psychology, but not in the middle. Middle subject to only English because remaining all subject information completed. Next, Hindi is immediately below psychology. Below psychology only Hindi. This is the order, descending order. A first one top to bottom. A next questions in third puzzle number 3. Economics is between which of the following books? Economics between English and psychology. Between English and psychology, option C only correct. Next, which 3 books are between accountancy and Hindi? Again, repetition not to consider. Consider only sequence order only. Which 3 books are between accountancy and Hindi? Here, accountancy and Hindi 3 books, English, economics and psychology. Psychology. So option A only correct. And next one, next interchange the books. Here first order important. First one sociology, second education, third accountancy, fourth English, fifth economics, and next one psychology, and last one Hindi. This is the order. But third example, rearrange the solution. A sociology and English interchange. Here first one English, next this one sociology, second accountancy and Hindi. Accountancy last subject, third subject only Hindi. Education and psychology. This is called psychology. Education is called psychology is called education. Remaining subjects same. Here first one English, psychology, Hindi, next sociology, next economics same, education, next accountancy. Interchange their position, which will be between psychology and sociology. Your psychology and sociology, that subject only Hindi. So option C only correct. This is about third example method. Your first one option C, second option A, third option C. Third example also completed. Okay, right now. Next, fourth example, number 3. Number 4. You study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Here one question, only 1 mark. 4 friends A, B, C and D have one of the 4 professions: doctor, architect, engineer and lawyer. Each friend belongs to one of the 4 different cities: Chandigarh, Indore, Lucknow and Pune. A is not a lawyer or engineer. The doctor is from Lucknow. D is an architect. The lawyer is from Pune. The engineer is neither from Chandigarh nor from Pune. D is not from Pune. C is not from Indore. Which of the following statements is true about B? Option A, B is a lawyer and belongs to Pune. Option B, B is a doctor and belongs to Pune. Option C, B is a lawyer and belongs to Chandigarh. Option D, B is a doctor and belongs to Chandigarh. Just 1 mark based puzzle. I think just option verification method only suitable. A general method, write persons always write in sequence order A, B, C, D. Next to professions and places. This is the general method of puzzle. But this puzzle, this table not required. Observation only important here. Observation. A is not a lawyer or engineer. That is a conditional statement. Second, doctor is from Lucknow. A doctor plays Lucknow only. Doctor plays Lucknow. But option B and option C. B is a doctor and belongs to Pune. But this place is not correct. Option B not correct. Option D, B is a doctor and belongs to Chandigarh. This is also not correct because doctor is from Lucknow. That place only correct. Next, D is an architect. Next, the lawyer is from Pune. This is also important. The lawyer is from Pune. But here B is a lawyer and belongs to Chandigarh is not correct. B is a lawyer, belongs to Pune. This one only correct. This type of questions are given in your exam. 1 mark based puzzles are given. Method, just to verify the options one by one. No need to solve the table. This type of questions are belongs to 5 marks based puzzles. But this is only 1 mark. Just to verify the statements and options. Out of 4 options, only one option only exists. Here exists only option A because lawyer from Pune. But lawyer Pune, that option indicate only option A. Doctor from Lucknow. Doctor Lucknow, lawyer Pune. Using these two statements, option A only valid. Remaining options are not correct. This is about fourth puzzle solution. Easy method. 1 mark. 1 mark type of questions are given just to apply only logic of the given statements. That's enough to prepare 1 mark puzzles for placements as well as competitive exams. Next, fifth example, number 5. A fifth one important because lengthy information based puzzle, lengthy and important. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. First point, P, Q, R, S, T and U, V are 7 teachers. W, X, Y and Z are 4 coaching institutes. These coaching institutes are opened by the group of 7 teachers mentioned above. The institutes open only Sunday. At least one teacher, this point important. At least one teacher visits the coaching institutes on each Sunday, but no institute is visited by more than 2 teachers. One institute maximum only 2 lectures, maximum 2, minimum 1. Each teacher teaches different subjects. Subjects Hindi, English, Mathematics, History, Biology, Physics and Sanskrit. The names of the subjects are not necessarily in the same order as the name of the teachers. Now study some additional rules. Using first statement, 4 coaching institutes, 7 teachers, 7 subjects. Each institute teach only minimum 1, maximum 2 subjects. This is the information of first point. Here first point, suppose W institute, next X institute, Y institute, Z institute, 4 institutes. Next teacher and person. Teacher and person. First statement completed. Second statement, you who teach Sanskrit visit alone the institute X. This institute only one person, alone, single person. The X institute only you, with subject also given. In next total 7 teachers, X institute only one person, remaining pending 6, but remaining institutes only 3. Then each institute exactly 2 teachers possible. X institute 2 persons, X institute only 1 person, W institute 2 persons, Z institute 2 persons. Total 7. X institute alone only 1 person. Remaining 3 institutes 2 to 2. Total 7 teachers and 7 subjects. Third point, the one who teach mathematics does not visit the institute W condition. Also, he never visit with T or V. Third one condition. Yes, visit the institute Z. Yes, visit the institute Z. Yes, institute Z. With the person who teach physics and yes, Z institute. Yes and physics, institute Z. Fourth statement completed. Q visit the institute Y. Q, Y. He does not teach mathematics. Here Q does not teach mathematics condition. R visit the institute Y. R visit the institute Y. Q and R, Y institute. But V does not teach physics. V does not teach physics condition. The one who teach mathematics visit with the person who teach Hindi. Mathematics and Hindi same institute. The one who teach history visit the institute Z. Z institute history subject, but Z institute already physics completed. Then S history. This is the information of eighth statement. S history, physics, Z institute only. Ninth one. P teach neither English nor physics. All the person follow the same routine on every Sunday. This is called basic information. The next important, seventh point only important, mathematics and Hindi visit. Mathematics visit with the person who teach Hindi. Mathematics and Hindi same instinct. But third statement, mathematics does not visit the institute W. Mathematics and Hindi not possible in W institute. That statement clearly given. That is third statement. The next possibility, X institute already completed. Z institute again completed. Subjects completed. That condition possible only Y institute. Y institute subjects, mathematics Hindi possible. But Q does not teach mathematics. A Q teach only Hindi because mathematics and Hindi same institute. But Q does not teach mathematics. Q teach only Hindi. Remaining R teach only mathematics. This is about seventh point. Here next, V does not teach physics. Here V not physics, but U completed, Q completed, R completed, S completed, and also V not possible. Here remaining possible only P comma T. Remaining persons only P comma T. V does not teach physics. Remaining possible persons only P and T. But P condition, P teach neither English nor physics. The P also physics not possible. A remaining possible only T. Then T physics. By using a ninth statement. The next U person completed, Q completed, R completed, T completed, S completed. Pending only P and V. These two only pending P and V. Here P and V institute only W. Remaining all persons completed. But P neither English. Total 7 subjects. Here 7 subjects 5 completed. And English also not possible. Remaining possibility only biology only possible. That is P. This is about P subject. A remaining pending only English, but total 7 subjects 6 completed. English only pending. That is V institute. This is about solution of the given puzzle. But this model only important to competitive exams and also important to placements and gate. 5 marks here. Question is very simple, but time factor only important. Here information based questions only important to placements. But here this fifth example. But W institute P and V. Here P biology, V English, X institute U Sanskrit, Y institute Q and R, Q Hindi or mathematics, Z institute T and S, T physics, S history. The next questions. First example. P visit which of the following institute? P visit which of the following institute? W institute only correct. Here P and V W institute only option B. Who among the following teach history subject? Here history means only yes. Yes means option A only correct. Next third example number 3. Which of the following statement is or not true? Not correct. Not correct. Statement 1. S teach physics in the institute Z. R teach mathematics in the institute W. But S subject only history Z institute. Statement A. But institute correct but not subject. Here 1 is not correct. Or teach mathematics in the institute W. But next or teach mathematics, but mathematics correct, but not W. Why institute only? First one not correct, second one not correct. Then answer both 1 and 2 not correct. Not correct is not true. Both not true. Option A only correct. Next fourth example number 4. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Here incorrect means not correct. Incorrect indicate not. But option A or teach mathematics exactly correct. Q teach Hindi exactly correct. Or mathematics Q Hindi. Next option C T teach physics. T Z instead physics. Next, none of these. Here A correct, B correct, C option D. None of these only correct. This is about fifth example. A sequential order of things. Total we have 5 examples. Examples only. But in number of models exist in sequential order of things. These are models sample questions in sequential order of things. Just here important only level of difficulty. Here first one, second one, third one. Level of difficulty basic to average level. And next fifth example average to advanced. Advanced means that question is lengthy and time taking. But puzzle test topic method there is no simplifications. There is no shortcut methods. Questions are based on only given information. Here important only analysis only important. Here next last example answer. A last example answer. A W X Y Z 4 instates 7%. 4 instates and 7%. 7%. Each instate maximum only 2%. 2 subjects. This is the condition of the puzzle. This information only important to this puzzle. Next answers in fifth example. First one option B, second option A, third option A. But third one neither nor not correct. Both 1 and 2 not correct. Here question is not correct means option A only correct. And fourth example also incorrect, not correct. A, B, C all are correct. So answer none of these only correct. This is about sequential order of things means puzzle test 3. Puzzle test 3. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.